Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to Code Eaters, and let's continue our SQL series, Hackerrank SQL series. So in the previous question or in the previous video, we have solved weather observation station 8, and in this one we are solving weather observation station 9. So if you go and read the problem, it is similar to the what we have solved earlier. So it's just they are using some different conditions. So in this question, they are saying query the list of city name from station that do not start with vowels. Your result cannot contain duplicates. Okay, these are two conditions. This is a table. So like previously, will you select city from, then your station, then your where condition, and then you will write this, the lower of city. Okay, I know if you are following this videos, then you would know why I'm using the lower part, like, or it should be not like. So I'm saying I'm fetching those record which is not equals to what? It should not equals to a, mean a modulo. So yeah, it should be like this. A modulo means it should not start with a, and here we will use the and operator. And so let me write it like this, and instead of this, okay, so a e I o u. Okay, so basically we are saying, and I'm using and operator. Okay, it should not equals to a, neither e, neither I, o, or u. So and we have solved this. I mean, we have taken this condition, but in the question there is two condition, which is your result contain, sorry, the result cannot contain duplicates. For that we will use a distinct operator to take care of this problem. Distinct. Yeah, let's execute the query. So we have solved this question. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Meanwhile, let's take care of the next question. So the next problem is weather observation station 10, and here the question is again similar to the previous one, which is query the list of city names from station that do not end with vowel. Okay, so it is similar to what we have solved. So I'll don't waste much time. I'll copy the previous code and I'll just edit this one. Okay, so it should not end with. Okay, so we just need to change this one, a, here also e, I, o, u. Okay, so I hope you have understood why I'm doing this. If you not, just go through my previous videos. Meanwhile, I'll give you a small recap. What I have did here is, so remember, whenever you use a like operator, and if you like place something like at u or a at the end and just provide a modulo, this means that this string or whatever you are checking, there should be a last character which is equals to a. Okay, or which should have a, but I'm using not, so it's a like it should not have a. Okay, not have e, I, o, u, and I'm using an and operator, so it will like check like any city name should not end with a, e, I, o, u. And let's execute the code. Okay, where it failed, it's saying an error, unexpected token not found. Okay, what's the problem? Okay, I'm using db2. It should be this. And db2 I'm solving in MySQL. So okay, yeah, it executed. So in for db2 also there's a little change. I think they don't have a like operator. So yeah, we have solved this problem. Let's move on to the next.